Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from Cinema Sound. Today we're going to be delving deep into the French horn, which is a strange brass cousin in the woodwind family. You'd think, well, it's not a wood instrument, but it's in the woodwind family. I know, it's bizarre. Don't ask why. It just is. And let's check it out and see how we can use it to great emotional value for our audiences. Let's roll. We're here in Logic Pro, and I pulled up the Cinebrass Solo French horn, and it would take me over an hour to even start to tell you how many ways you can use a French horn or a French horn section. But let's just get into the general sound of it. This is the Solo French horn. And most people don't realize, French horn is a baritone instrument. We rocket it up way here in the highs. But it's really not designed to do that. It's designed to be down here, almost in that trombone range, which is where it really flourishes. Not that it shouldn't be used up high, but we've used all kinds of ways, and John Williams in particular, in sections, and been using it since the 70s for spontaneous staccatos and things like this, and comedy. And of course, beautiful, beautiful melodies. I know, so amazing. And it sounds amazing in any range. And the thing about the French horn is the higher up you get, the more exciting it gets, which I know is that way for most brass instruments, but there's just something special about how the French horn does high that makes it even more special when you can do it in a section. So here is the Cinebrass 12 French horn section, all nice and put together. Let's see what happens there. And of course down low. Very ominous, very powerful, with lots of French horns put together. You don't need 12 to be able to do that. But when you're in unison with them, they create this beautiful, there's just nothing like it in the world. And we use French horns all the time, but we usually use them in that kind of, unisony, nothing to do with Sony Pictures, but unison kind of vibe. But to use it in a chord is also just so wonderful. Let's see if I can pull this up here. And when you have it in a chord, it really fills out harmony in a way that trombones don't. Trombones show up, can have a bitiness to them, but a horn section just doesn't. Just really beautiful. So consider all the ways, and there's, several dozen more that you can use French horns to create an emotion, a melancholy if it's minor, a power if it's in unison, that nothing else can generate in the woodwind section or any section in the orchestra. Hopefully this has been of benefit to you. If so, please subscribe to this channel and visit us at cinemasound.com, where we have hundreds and hundreds of articles and videos just dying to be able to show you how to get that Hollywood immersive element into your productions. We have over 85, and education that is a comprehensive education, over 85 hours that will take you from, I don't know how to do sound at all for picture, all the way to delivering Hollywood master 5.1 level material in a way that you've never been able to do it before. So please come visit us at Cinema Sound and subscribe here on the channel. And until then, we'll see you in post.
Even if it's for yourself.